With Seesaw, teachers create and share engaging learning experiences with students, and students use the multimodal tools to create, reflect, and make their thinking visible. All of this is done seamlessly within the Seesaw Journal. Let's explore the Seesaw workflow to see how it all comes together. Here I am signed in as a teacher in Seesaw. Notice it says teacher under the class name. There are 3 ways to view posts that are added with the green Add button in Seesaw. The first way is to view posts in the journal feed. Scroll through to see all posts in the order that they are posted. The second way to view posts is by calendar view. After sharing your first post, tap on the calendar icon under the green Add button to toggle from journal view to the calendar view. Tap on a date to see all of the posts added on that day. To get back to the journal view, simply toggle back to the journal view. You can also view posts by student. On the right-hand side of your journal, tap on a student's name to view all the posts that students have been tagged in or have completed. These posts appear in the order they were posted. All student posts must be approved by the teacher before they are added to the class journal. When there is a student post to approve, a red bar pops up at the bottom of the journal feed. When you tap on the red bar, you'll be able to approve, delete, or send the post back as a draft for revision. You can approve posts individually or bulk approve all. Let's move on to Activities. Tap on the Activities tab. This is a tab with the light bulb icon. Under this, teachers have 4 sections. You will find all assigned activities under Assigned to Class. If you tap on the gray bar under an activity, you will see the completion status for each student. You can tap on a student's name to take a closer look at their activity. The Schedule tab is where you will find all scheduled activities. Activities appear with the time and date they are set to be assigned to students. Tap the Edit button to change the scheduled date or time. In the Archive tab, you will find all of your archived activities. To unarchive or delete one of these activities, just tap on the 3 dots. Just like in the Journal tab, you also have a calendar view of activities. Tap on the Calendar tab to view activities by date they were assigned. Many teachers wonder what students see when they log into Seesaw. Let's take a look at what Seesaw looks like from the student view. Here I am, signed in as a student in Seesaw. Notice it says student under the class name. Just like teachers, students also have a journal view and a calendar view where they see all the posts they have completed and that they have been tagged in. Tag posts are any posts teachers create and assign to students. When a student is assigned an activity, it appears in the Activity tab under To Do. To complete the activity, students tap Add Response. When a student saves an activity as a draft, it appears in the Progress tab. To keep working or complete the activity, students tap Finish Response. All completed activities appear in the Done tab. Students are also able to view all activities that have been assigned to them, including activities they have completed and activities that still need to be completed in the calendar view. With Seesaw, creating and sharing meaningful learning experiences is simple and seamless. Your challenge this week is to log in as both a teacher and student to explore the Seesaw Journal. Share how you and your students use Seesaw on Twitter using the hashtag SeesawMeAMinute.